Hey everybody, this is Jake from Jake's Makes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to print with wood filament. Now this is zero wood filament. You can buy it off of Amazon, and the cool thing about it is it's PLA mixed with wood fiber. And now this is the real deal. It has 20% wood fiber in it, and when you're printing it has a wood smell. You can stain it, lacquer it, sand it. Check it out. Comes in a nice vacuum sealed bag with desiccant in it. As a tester print, we're going to be printing a stump, since of course it is wood. One thing that may happen in the video is we may get a clogged nozzle, because your standard 3D printer comes with a 0.4 millimeter nozzle, and what some people will do to help themselves out to push this extra wood filament through is they'll upgrade to a 0.6 millimeter nozzle. So there's no telling what's going to happen, but it should be exciting. Thanks for checking it out. So here it is. This print came out amazing. I mean, just the level of detail is just impressive. So if you're thinking of getting into printing with wood filament, I would definitely advise the Zero 3D printer filament. Altogether it was just a great print, and I had no issues with it, no clogging. Maybe one time I had to reset the print, and that was after 2 minutes just because of the bed adhesion. But altogether, really great product. It was really fun breaking through into the wood filament realm, and I got a few more projects lined up. So if you like the channel, please subscribe and like. It'd be really helpful, and I hope you guys enjoy the next videos I put out. Thanks.